In a major shift for Goldman Sachs, the firm is preparing to give away some of the secret sauce behind its big trading ideas, giving clients access to more of its in-house tools and databases. WSJ Money and Investing reporter Aaron Lucchetti joins us now with the story. Aaron, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me.
So I guess the big question is, why would Goldman Sachs release any of its secrets?
Yeah, it's a bold move for Goldman, and it's one that really reflects big changes in trading and on Wall Street. A lot of trading has become electronic. That's been a trend that's been going on for more than a decade now. And Goldman is basically taking what it used to do with research and trading ideas that they'd share over the phone or in emails or research reports, and taking that into the 21st century and into the current age of trading and doing it electronically, which means sharing apps, sharing databases, sharing technology with their clients that they hope will bind the clients more with them, so that when they need to trade, when they have an idea, or when they kind of come up with a strategy to trade with, they go to Goldman and not one of the competitors.
So first off, this information will only be available to clients.
That's right. Goldman is very carefully selecting who gets what, and it'll be clients and probably the best clients that get the most.
And the bet then is that these clients will use that information to continue to trade with Goldman.
That's correct.
Is there a danger that these clients might just say, hey, great, thanks for the information, and go off and do their own trades?
That is a risk, and even the senior executives at Goldman who are overseeing this acknowledge that the risk is that these sophisticated big investment firms with trillions of dollars in assets will take the data, thank you very much, and will use it for other reasons.
But they feel that's a risk they're willing to take because the trading environment is changing so rapidly.
That's a very good point. I mean, today's database is perhaps obsolete in a year, at least is different, it develops. So there has to be an ongoing relationship between the investment firm and the bank to really get the most out of the data.
And so at first, do you think these clients will be cherry-picked? There'll just be a few of them that will get this information? Or is Goldman going to go wide with all their clients?
Well, it is pretty widespread among the clients. I mean, if they're talking about it with us and with the press and in general, they want their clients to know about it. The question of who gets what is a tricky one and a delicate one, and it's not. Even though it's technology, everyone will want some customization. So that's something they're dealing with now, with client by client.
Is there a chance somewhere in the future that some of this information could be available to the general public at a cost, of course?
Well, Goldman has always appealed to the institutional investor and bigger customers. They are making a push into consumer lending, which is sort of nascent, but definitely an area to watch. Lloyd Blankfein has pointed that out as an area of opportunity, and how technology has changed the customer base and sort of the target market for Goldman. So it's definitely something that's evolving and worth keeping an eye on.
Very interesting stuff indeed. Aaron Lucchetti, thank you so much for that.
Thanks, Tanya. Nice.